And guys, I want to teach you something really quickly. That in your life, when you can be in solitude with yourself, with your feelings, and you can go deep to your core, you can go to your core of who you are, and you can press down with your emotions, and you can really understand where you are going with your life, how you're going to succeed, how you're going to become independent, and you can be with yourself with your emotions without feeling that you need other people. Okay? So you can be 24/7 in solitude and you're quite happy and you're quite peaceful and you are basically meditating and being with yourself, and you don't need anyone else to fulfill you, and you don't need anyone else to talk to, and you can just be with yourself, you can be alone. And that's where you start manning up. That's where you start becoming a greater version of yourself. That's how you meditate, and that's how you become something that can be with you, okay? So practice today to go ahead and be in your feelings in solitude, and practice to just stay with yourself, because you have to be grounded in life. You have to be grounded, you have to be content, and you have to do much better, okay? And the key is always talk to other people less. Talk to other people less, because this way you will be much more grounded in who you are as a person, okay? Because today everyone wants to be Elon Musk. Everyone wants to be very busy, but they're doing nothing, okay? So the thing is that you have to realize you'll find out who your true friends are when you are grounded in who you are. You'll find out everything you need to know when you talk to other people less. When you talk to them less and you are earning more, for example, in your life, you will do much better, okay? So the thing is that more communication with yourself, of course, less communication with them. This is the foundation of life. This is how you grow. This is how you become something far greater.